Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add billing address to Vanilla Gift Card. Let's begin. So once you've opened up the vanillagift.com website, you're going to have different tabs here where it says holiday gift cards, buy e-gift cards, then create a custom design, activate your card, check balance, the scoop, and then facts. So what you're going to look for is buy e-gift cards and you're going to select it. So from the list of options here, you are going to choose one. Either your GoldScript virtual gift card or Happy Dots holiday e-gift card and so on. Now after you're done, it's going to ask you to enter your card details to check balance, review transactions, or activate gift card. So all you have to do now is enter your card number, then the expiration date of that card, such as the month, year, and then you have to enter your CVV. And if you want more information about what a CVV is, you are going to select this question mark where it's red. And then once you're done, you're going to select continue. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.